Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a free VPS with full root access. Yes, you heard that right, no payment, no credit card, and you'll be able to use it just like a paid server. This VPS works directly from your browser and you can install anything you want, tools, scripts, even run your projects, all for free. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, so make sure you watch till the end. By the time we're done, you'll have your own fully working VPS running in just a few minutes. So let's get started.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?